Hello, my friends. Yesterday I did about 5.7k, and today that has increased to 6.4k. So I believe that my video is making an impact to everybody watching it, because some people took action yesterday, and today the number of sales, or the amount of sales, or volume of sales I have done has just increased to 6.4k. And I just want to share that with you because it's a good news and it's something that I am proud of to share with you. Now, this is my landing page. When you click on my link, this is what you get. And if you scroll down, right down here, you will notice that my total agent sales is now 6.4k. To me, this is a great achievement because I know how hard it is to get people to understand that they need to be in this platform, that they need to earn on a daily basis, right? And this is what the result will look like when you begin this platform with people. If you are already in this platform, you are more than welcome to become an agent and begin to share the opportunity with people. Now, when you register in this platform, you will earn, as I said earlier from my video, between 0.3% to 1%. So the profit that they are given on a daily basis is very, very reasonable. Okay, so it's not something that they cannot achieve. It's not something that they cannot fulfill compared to other platforms that are offering very high percentage of daily returns. So this is a long-term investment that everybody needs to get involved in, right? Because you want something sustainable, you want something consistent, you want something that is going to last for a very long time. Okay, so right here you will see where it says select a tokenized property. What does that mean? It means you should select the property that you want to invest in. Okay, and then you will get a fraction of that property. You are not buying the whole property. For example, this is the villa property that, of course, I also mentioned this villa property yesterday in my video, but I just want to touch on it again. Today, you will notice from my right hand side here the profit calculator. When you select a property and you enter the amount of money you want to use to purchase a fraction of that property, it will automatically calculate how much you are going to be earning on a daily basis, and even project that to a monthly basis, and even to on a yearly basis as well. And when you are going to break even, as you can see from my right hand side here. Now, the minimum to start this villa property is actually $3,120, but don't be scared, because there are other properties that you can afford to get started with if you have a lower amount of investment. So let me scroll back and select the Miami apartment. The Miami apartment, the minimum for you to get started with this one is actually $10, right? So it means every single person watching this video will be able to join this platform with just $10. And once you join with $10, the profit calculator will also tell you how much you are going to be earning on a daily basis. However, I don't recommend you start with $10, even though they said you should start with $10. I recommend you start with at least minimum $100, because that will give you a better return. If you choose not to start with $100, let's say you don't have $100, you have $50, you just change that to $50, and that will now give you your breakdown of what you're going to be earning on a daily basis. There are other tokenized properties that you can also choose. If you don't want to do the Miami apartment, you move over to the Seattle apartment. So all of the Seattle apartment start with a minimum of $117. Okay, but as I said, don't always start with the minimum. Try as much as you can to start with something higher than the minimum. For example, if you start with $5,000 in the Miami apartment, you'll be earning $25 on a daily basis. If you decide to do just $500 for the Miami apartment, you will earn $2.55. Now, bear in mind, this is not the only properties or the tokenized properties that you can purchase, there is also houses. Okay, when you select houses, let's say you choose the houses tokenized property to purchase or to invest in, the minimum to start this one is $480. Okay, as you can see from here. And as I said, do not start with the minimum. But if you want to start with the minimum, that is fine. There's no issues at all with you starting with the minimum. But of course, the calculator will tell you exactly how much you are going to be earning on a daily basis. As you can see, this is about $2.69 that you will be earning on a daily basis, right? Now, let's say you don't want to start with the minimum. Let's say you want to start with, say, maybe $600. So $600 on the house apartment will give you $3.36 on a daily basis. And in a month, you would have earned $70.56. And in 8 months' time, you will break even. So you can see that it is quite sustainable, and it has been consistent since the inception of this platform. And there are other higher properties as well that you can purchase. For example, the villa property that I already discussed with you, this one will give you about $19 on a daily basis, right? So yeah, so this platform is great for somebody looking for something consistent, something that is going to last for a very long time, right? So it is a great opportunity for all of us to get involved in and get this e-estate platform as part of your portfolio, right? I'm not saying you should rely 100% on these, okay, for all your income streams, but add e-estate to the number of income streams that you have already, so that you have a regular and consistent daily income coming into your inbox. And if you would like to withdraw that profit, you can also withdraw the profit daily. That is how good this platform is. You do not need a good credit check, and you also do not need to have large amount of deposit money to get started. That is the big difference between the tokenized real estate and the traditional real estate. Okay, the traditional real estate, you are required to pass your credit check. You will require to have a minimum of maybe 10% or 15% or 20% of the total property worth. But in this instance, it's not that way. In the e-estate platform, it is slightly different, and it's slightly accessible and more affordable for everybody, right? So for you to access it and for you to be able to afford it, it means this is good for you. So guys, I will stop here for now. I just want to let you know that it is possible for you to begin to earn daily in this platform between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis, and you will also be able to withdraw your profit, which normally it is processed within 24 hours when you put in a withdrawal. Okay, so if you would like to join this platform, the link to do so is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you guys in my team, and I look forward to seeing you progress and prosper in e-estate platform. Thank you, and God bless.